Add to the pan the 3 ounces of butter, the 2 Mars bars, which I've chopped up very roughly because I'm going to melt all of those with the butter, and 1 dessert spoonful of golden syrup. Just twirl that around very quickly just to stop it from going all over the place. Right. Right, so over a low heat, medium heat, I'm going to melt the butter, the syrup and the Mars bars. Now while that's melting, I've got a Pyrex bowl over a pot of hot water. I'm going to melt the chocolate. The reason you put it in Pyrex over a heat rather than directly into a pan there is so that it doesn't dry out. I'll just leave that chocolate there to melt. Right, so that should do it. It's bubbling away, some of the mallow bits. Just make sure you stir it so it's very smooth. And mix it all very quickly. That's us. And then you pop it into your tray. And when that cools, we're going to cover it with our chocolate. If you want it really, really flat, you can just go over it with a rolling pin. So just let that cool a little and then we'll spread the chocolate on the top. And it's ready just to spread over sparingly. I just used 150 grams, which was 1 bar of chocolate. If you want thicker chocolate on the top, maybe you would have to use 2 of these bars, but I'm just keeping it very thin.